Hey guys, it's me, Natalie. Wait, come closer. So ever since we found out Rosalina was pregnant, it's been really hard. I don't even know who the father is! And the reality is, she's pretty lonely. And you know, since I'm her twin sister, I'm gonna have to be here for her until we find out who the baby daddy is. It's not an ideal situation, but after all, I am her twin sister, so I'm gonna be here to help. So I just wanted to show you guys what a typical morning routine has been like with Rosalina. But for now, I'm gonna go back to sleep.
Hola you guys, it's me, Rosalina, and yeah, sorry about the mess. Okay, so I guess I'm showing you my morning routine, huh?
Ay, Dios mío.
Well, every day at just about 4 a.m. I wake up to pee. I then try to go back to sleep, but then my little taquito starts kicking and making me really, really hungry. So I always make sure to have some Taco Bell next to me, and but here we go again. Oh my god, gotta go back to the bathroom. You guys, I don't know if it's this my little taquito that's making me to go to the bathroom so much. It's all the tacos I'm eating. But this is how my mornings have been going. Too many trips to the bathroom. It's so annoying. I just can't sleep. Finally fall back asleep. I have to hear Natalia's annoying alarm. No consideration for me. How rude of her. She just let it go off and off and off. Ay, Dios mío, she is killing me. Okay guys, so I've been waking up at 8 a.m. these days. Now I get a little nice neck crack and oh yeah, that's the good stuff. I look over and I remember I'm sleeping with Rosalina and that it wasn't just a nightmare. So I take a deep breath in and I try to set positive intentions for my day while drinking my lemon water. It's been tough being away from Dennis because, you know, he just texts me every single morning and oh my god, I just miss him so much. Good morning, puppy. Ugh, gross. Okay, I like to text Dennis a picture of Rosalina being weird so he understands why I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, well, you know, enough of that. I move on and I get started with my morning. So I like to greet the day with Dancing with Jupiter every single morning. This just helps us both get energized for the long day we have ahead of us. Rise and shine, my hermosa Rosalita. It's time to have an amazing, sexy day, Jess. Oh no, I have to go to the bathroom again, taquito. I kind of feel bad for Rosalina, but I ain't letting her rain on my parade and stop my dance party. Dios mío, I can't stand Natalia's dance parties with Jupiter and that music. Ew, play some Reiki. But okay, going to start the day with some nice fresh pickle juice. Pregnancy cravings. This is what I have been craving this morning. And yes, delicious. And of course, taquitos. Bon appetit, baby. Sponsor me, Taco Bell. You know, being with Rosalina has brought me a lot of tension, so I've been incorporating some very simple yoga to my morning routine in order to help me find some peace and balance. Lord knows I need it. Ay, this taquito has me feeling some type of way. I don't like it. No. Most mornings I just sit and eat my tacos, and just today, too many feelings, too many thoughts. Now that I've reached some zen in my life, I'll take a nice shower and freshen up for the day. Now these are my essential morning routine products while getting ready. I'll link them below if you are interested. And of course, stay tuned for a new Beauty Busters video. I'm super excited for you guys to see it. Alright, time to get clean. Let's do this. After I have a few moments of feeling bad for myself, I tell myself, okay, stop, you are Rosalina, enough of this, I'm fabulous, I'm going to dance. Oh yes, Ricky, so beautiful. Ay papi, you make me so happy. Oh my god, I love you, yes. Hello gorgeous, oh my god, yes. This is usually the best part of my day while I spend some quality time with Ricky. Ay, this doesn't last long cause you guys, the morning sickness is no joke. Oh, you gotta go to the bathroom. Ay, this is the worst, you guys. Ugh, something else I have to deal with these days is listening to Rosalina's little taquito making her sick. Yeah, not fun. But okay, thank God it's not me. Anyways, now I'm feeling fresh and clean. I'm gonna go to my closet, pick out something cute to wear for the day, and I'm just feeling some type of nice, colorful, cozy vibes today. And now comes another mental breakdown. I'm glad you guys don't have to see my whole day because you'd be alarmed by the amount of time I spent crying. This taquito makes me emotional. Oh my god, it's time to see my little taquito. Dios mío, I have to... No, too fat But I just tell myself that I'm Rosalina and I make anything look good. Time to move on. And now it's time for breakfast. I've been trying to get back into eating healthy, so I'll start my day off with some juice these days. I love me some green juice. Now for the prettier twins breakfast, I love me some waffles and taquitos, of course. Oh, so tasty. Ew, Rosalina has the weirdest cravings. Waffles and tacos? Like, who does that? Ugh. And now it's time to relax a little bit before I get started with my work. Now, I love sitting here and just catching up on Dennis's latest YouTube videos. I'm so proud of him, you guys. In the past month, he's uploaded 22 videos. Like, are you kidding me? He is a rock star. Go check him out if you haven't already. I love you, handsome. You guys, that's basically it for my morning routine. Now, don't worry, I haven't been myself, but I'm just as fabulous. Now, me and my taquito are off to our doctor's appointment. Love you. Alright, you guys, welcome to our studio. So this is where my day usually begins. I get to the studio and I talk to my team. Now we just kind of get to chat with each other, see what's going on, what everyone has happening in their life, and just start planning for the day. I love my outlet team. So now once we all talk, I like to go and take care of my emails and, you know, just like YouTube stuff, work on to-dos. And right now I'm planning Rosalina's baby shower. I'm so excited about that. I can't wait to show you guys. Now this is also where I reply back to your comments and get started on other videos. Now just take a look at these super cute emojis. Oh my god, I love them. If you want to use these and enjoy other special perks, hit that join button below and become a member.
Hello?
Oh my god, sister, I just had an ultrasound and I saw my little taquito.
Oh, Rosalina, that's so exciting. I can't wait to see. Oh, I'm gonna be an auntie. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and comment below whose morning routine you related to the most. Was it mine or Rosalina's? I invite you to subscribe to this channel by hitting that subscribe button and staying up to date with everything Rosalina and me related. You guys can hit that little bell right there too so that YouTube notifies you of new videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. I'm pretty sure Rosalina is going to show us our baby ultrasound in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I'm so excited. As always, you can always connect with me on Instagram or Twitter at Natalie's Outlet. If you want extra doses of me, you can always join our Audi Squad membership where I show you guys exclusive content. It's pretty much a secret club where you're going to be unlocking so many secrets to my life, sisterhood with Rosalina, very personal Q&As, live streams, pictures that you've never before seen, videos that you've never before seen, and pretty much just sneak peeks into the next chapter of Rosalina's life, my life, some merch discounts, and content made specially just for you. It is amazing. It is popping over there, so make sure you become an Audi Squad member by clicking the link at the top or right next to the subscribe button. You should see a big button that says join. If you do not see it, click the link right at the top. I want to wish you guys an amazing day. As always, I love you so much. Thank you so much for everything that you do. And don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye. And this week's special shout out goes to Emily. Oh my god, sending you lots of virtual hugs and kisses. So if you want a shout out in my next video, be sure to comment below #NatificationSquad. And then once you do that, make sure you hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so that you are here in the first 30 minutes that every video goes live. Now, if you are and you comment below #NatificationSquad, that's all you have to do. And it might just be you.